If you're a stockbroker looking to leverage technology to earn more, this video is for you. Being a broker today isn't easy. Commissions are shrinking, competition is growing, and your clients, they expect a lot more than just trade execution. Studies show that over 60% of investors and traders now want their brokers to provide better tools for research, advanced insights, and smarter digital experiences. But building that kind of tech in-house is expensive, risky, and time-consuming. That's why leading brokers are turning to Capnote, an AI-powered financial intelligence platform that brokers can use on a white label basis. You can customize it, brand it, and offer it to your clients as a premium service for a fee. Deliver a premium digital investing experience under your brand, with no dev costs and no infrastructure headaches. Now, let's talk numbers. You can offer Capnote to 100,000 clients at just $100 per year, and you could earn up to $10 million annually, all without the stress of building or maintaining the technology. You provide more value to your clients while unlocking a brand new revenue stream. Capnote isn't just a tool. It's your growth engine, built for speed, tailored to your needs, and designed to help you earn more. Schedule a free discovery call by emailing team@capnote.com. Let's show you how it works.